Should I replace my ductwork? You should replace it when it is old, badly damaged, moldy, leaking a lot, or too small for your heating and cooling system. If your ductwork is the hidden road that carries air through your house, then damaged ducts are like holes in that road. When air leaks out, some rooms get too hot or too cold, and your heating and cooling system has to work harder than it should. That can make your bills go up and can also make the air in your home feel dusty or uneven. A lot of people do not know that duct problems can also come from bad design, not just age. So even brand new equipment can still work poorly if the ducts are too narrow, crushed, or full of sharp turns. If you notice rooms that never feel right, whistling sounds, sagging ducts, or lots of dust near vents, those are clues worth checking. Another thing people miss is that flexible ducts can be damaged by heat, pests, or bad installation, so the outside may look fine while the inside is leaking air. The best next step is to have a trusted heating and cooling professional inspect the ducts, test for leaks, and show you which parts can be sealed and which parts should be replaced. If only a few sections are bad, repairing them may be enough, but if the system is very old or badly sized, a full replacement can save more money over time. A common mistake is replacing the heating and cooling unit without checking the ducts first, because the new system can still perform badly if the air pathways are weak. Another thing to watch for is thinking every dusty vent means you need all new ducts, when sometimes the fix is sealing leaks or cleaning the system. Some people also ignore uneven room temperatures for too long, but that often means the ducts are telling you something important, so get an inspection before it becomes a bigger repair. If the house has had water damage, pests, or a mold smell, do not wait, because those problems can spread through the airflow fast. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, Jobit Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out and message you back with their estimates.